Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, WLAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important. The display panel is held in place by 2 strips of stretch release tape. Each tape strip has a plastic pull tab attached to one end. One at a time, grasp the pull tab of each strip of tape and carefully wrap it around the end of a cylindrical tool, such as a screwdriver. Slowly twist the tool to release the tape. Continue twisting until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an extreme angle, they will break before releasing the display panel. Note: the removed stretch release tape is not reusable. Lift the display panel off of the display panel hinges and rotate it until you have access to the display panel cable connector on the back of the display panel. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel. Important: please refer to the maintenance and service guide for instructions on replacing the display panel. The stretch release tape strips that secure the display panel to the display enclosure must be placed in a specific orientation.